Hi, I am Eva Funla and I have something for you. Oh yeah. What's this? Oh, do you eat this? Oh, if you eat this, you're a monkey. Jug only. This is a fruit. A banana. Yes, I have a lot of bananas here. What is the color of this banana? Yeah, it's yellow. Yeah, it's yellow. Oh, yeah. What is banana? Banana. Do you eat banana split? Or do you like ice cream with banana? Or do you eat banana con yellow? Oh, yeah. Please subscribe.